been learning about all the royal members of the family, and now we're going to have a little family reunion. But oh no, everybody's forgotten who they are. No.
Oh no.
So we're going to have a little mingle and find out who we are. So I'll go first. Mingle, 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 mingle. Hello.
Hello.
Am I young?
Yes, you are young.
Am I a girl?
No, you is?
You are not a girl.
You are not a girl.
Okay, so I'm a boy. Am I the son of the king?
Yes.
I am the prince.
Yes.
Yay! Mingle, 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 mingle. Now everybody, find out who you are. You go first, Ben.
Am I
a boy?
a boy?
No,
Yes.
you are not a boy.
Okay. Am I young?
A big boy?
No, you are not young.
Yes. Am I old?
Yes, you are old.
Do I wear a crown?
Huh, correct. Am I an
Am
animal?
I the king?
No, you're not an animal.
Okay,
Am I
your
the
turn.
queen?
Yes, you're the
A
queen.
boy.
The queen.
Well done.
No, you are not a boy.
Am I a girl?
Yes, you are a girl.
Am I young?
Yes, you are young.
Am I the princess?
Yes!
Well done, and
Great.
continue until everybody has found out which member of the royal family they are. Have fun!